Okay, this video is for dividing by a decimal. If we're faced with this problem, 36 divided by 0.3, this is quite challenging because you're dividing by a decimal. If you were dividing by a whole number, you could just use the bus stop method, but dividing by 0.3 is quite challenging, and also I don't know my 0.3 times table. So this is a really good trick that works every time. If you want to work out this sum, then what you have to do is times the left-hand side by 10 and times the right-hand side by 10. So we'll end up with 360 divided by 3. If you times the left and the right by the same number, you will end up with a sum that gives you the same answer as the original sum. So 360 divided by 3 is 120. Therefore, that's the same answer as you would have got for this sum here. A nice way to do it. The reasoning is if you make something 10 times bigger and you divide it by a number which is 10 times bigger, it will go into it the same number of times. Let's try this one, a little bit more challenging. 27 divided by 0.09. Okay, if I times this side by 10 and this side by 10, I get 270 divided by 0.9. Now I still can't do that because I'm still dividing by a decimal. So I'm going to times by 10 again on both sides. So now I'll get 2,700 divided by 9. And that's a sum that you can quite easily do in a bus stop. 2700 divided by 9. 9's into 27 goes 3 with no remainder. 9's into 0 is 0. 9's into 0 is 0. So our answer would be 300. So it's a little trick for when you're dividing by a decimal.